This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Incredible custom home with a wide open floor plan with soaring vaulted ceilings and huge windows for lots of light. Beautifully remodeled kitchen with granite tile counters, large island and lots of storage and counter space for the chef and the family. Huge living room with a gas fireplace and a slider to the covered patio, raised garden beds and a custom waterfall feature. Large master suite with a private deck, California closets and a full bath. 24x8 shop with power to Culdesac location. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.